Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video you can take a screenshot with the Sony Xperia 5. So there are two ways for. Let me show you the first one. Let us use the power button and the volume down button, and if you press these both buttons for the same time and hold it for a second, then you will have a screenshot. One more time, the power button and the volume down button for the same time, hold it, and you will have a screenshot. After you are able to edit the screenshots directly or to share it here, let's go and edit. Then you can choose an app which one you want to edit the picture. Let us take the photo editor of Sony. And yeah, here with this symbol here, if you go here, then you have here the opportunity to crop the picture or to crop a part of the screenshot. Now, maybe a picture from a website. Let's take maybe this one. Go here and confirm, and this part now of our gallery if you go here on save. In case the screen is turning all the time, then you have to disable here this auto rotate, because if you're doing like this, then the screen would also always turn like this. So off the auto rotate, and then it's easy to use just the power button method with just the volume down button. There's another way also with the power button. If you hold the power button longer, like as you want to off the phone, you have here also the opportunity to take a screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Hold the power button and then you just go here on screenshot, and yeah. So, and after, as I said, you can find your screenshots at the gallery. Here they are. As you can see, I had already many tries. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question, and maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao!